Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Stars and Bars. This is day 8 of my 100 days English speaking challenge journey. Today I would like to speak about a very meaningful topic, the difference between knowing and doing. Many people believe that knowledge is power. Yes, the knowledge is important, but knowledge alone is insufficient. There is a clear difference between knowing something and doing something. Knowing means we have awareness and understanding, but doing means we take action and show commitment. For example, we all know that exercise is good for our health. We know it improves our fitness and reduces the stress. But many of us fail to practice it due to the laziness or the procrastination. This shows that the problem is not lack of knowledge but lack of execution. Many people collect information by watching videos and reading books, but without the action, this knowledge remains theoretical. Knowing makes us feel comfortable, doing takes effort, but it brings results. Knowledge shows the direction, but the action leads to progress. But the doing requires discipline, consistency, and determination. Success comes from small actions done regularly, not from big plans made once. So remember it, motivation may start the journey, but discipline keeps it going. Because in real life, success is not about what we know, but about what we do consistently. So guys, start speaking English from today onwards to improve your communication skills. This is all about this video. Thank you.